Every delicious potato chip begins its journey here, where carefully grown potatoes are harvested at the perfect time. Fresh potatoes arrive at the factory, where advanced systems prepare them for processing. The potatoes are thoroughly washed. This removes soil and impurities before processing begins. Next, the potatoes are carefully peeled to create the perfect base for crispy chips. Precision blades slice every potato into thin, uniform pieces for consistent cooking. Extra starch is removed to help create the light and crispy texture loved by millions. Now the slices are cooked to perfection, transforming into delicious golden chips. Special seasonings are added to create the signature flavors enjoyed around the world. Advanced inspection systems carefully check every batch to ensure top quality. After seasoning, the chips enter the packaging line. Advanced machines fill, seal, and protect every packet with freshness-locking technology. Green, orange, red, and finally, the packaged chips are carefully boxed, stacked, and prepared for distribution, from the factory warehouse delivering fresh and delicious chips to stores across the country.